So what's this new smile tool you've been using? Let me show you. I can show a patient their own before and after from a single photo. With DentalMagic, a simple patient photo becomes a clear vision of what's possible. From just a photo? Yes. I can show the patient what's possible before we even talk about the plan. They don't just hear about it, they see it on their own face. AI gives me the first result, but I can still fine-tune everything manually. The shape, the shade, the smile line, everything can still be controlled. So the patient sees the dream, but you still control the details. Exactly.
Let me show you more examples.
It's amazing. You're not just showing them a treatment, you're showing them the future. That's the power of DentalMagic.